How long does a cough last and when to contact a doctor? Coughs can be a symptom of many different health conditions. How long a cough lasts will often depend on the cause. A cough may be a symptom of many different health conditions. The National Heart, Lung and Blood Institute describes a cough as the body's natural reflex to keep the airways clear of irritants. Irritants can include smoke, mucus or phlegm, allergens such as pollen, mold or dust. If the body does not remove irritants from the airways, it can result in infections. Doctors tend to classify coughs depending on how long they last. A cough might be acute, meaning it lasts less than 3 weeks. Infections such as the common cold, sinusitis, or pneumonia tend to cause acute coughs. Subacute, meaning it lasts between 3 to 8 weeks, lingering after the cold or infection has gone. Chronic, meaning it lasts longer than 8 weeks. Conditions such as gastroesophageal reflux disease or GERD, allergies, asthma, chronic obstructive pulmonary disease or COPD, pulmonary fibrosis, and interstitial lung diseases can all cause a chronic cough. This video will discuss why coughs develop and their function. It will also look at how long coughs tend to last in different circumstances and when someone should contact a doctor. How long does a cough usually last? How long a cough lasts will depend on the health condition that causes it. For example, common cold. The typical symptoms of the common cold tend to last for different periods of time. They include a sore throat that lasts around 8 days, a headache that lasts between 9 to 10 days, a stuffy or runny nose that can last more than 2 weeks, a cough that can last more than 2 weeks. Flu. Influenza or the flu can cause a wide range of symptoms. Again, symptoms tend to resolve at different times. Most symptoms, including fever, chills, muscle pains, and a sore throat, will usually clear up in 3 to 7 days. Others, including tiredness and a cough, can take more than 2 weeks to go away, particularly in older adults or those with chronic lung disease. Bronchitis. An acute bronchitis infection will come on suddenly and last for between 3 to 10 days. The associated cough, however, can continue for several weeks afterward. COVID-19. Scientists are still studying COVID-19. People may experience a variety of symptoms or they may experience none at all. So far, studies have shown that symptoms, which include a dry cough, can last for at least 2 to 3 weeks. In some people, COVID-19 symptoms can linger for months. This is commonly referred to as long COVID-19. Symptoms of long COVID-19 may include fatigue, shortness of breath, brain fog, sleep disorders, fevers, gastrointestinal symptoms, anxiety, and depression. They can persist for months. Researchers are not sure why some people have no symptoms at all, while others go on to develop long COVID-19. Anyone who suspects they may have COVID-19 should stay home, separate themselves from other people as much as possible, contact a doctor and follow their instructions. Whooping cough causes a persistent cough that is worse at night. After about 4 weeks, the cough will usually start to become less frequent and less severe. However, it can take several months for the cough to go away completely. Croup. Croup is an infection of the upper airway that tends to affect children aged 6 months to 3 years. It causes a repetitive cough that sounds like a bark. It may be worse at night. Other symptoms may include fever, runny nose, sore throat, and congestion. Most of the time, croup tends to resolve on its own within 3 to 4 days. Consult the child's healthcare provider if symptoms worsen or linger. Allergies. When someone has an allergy, they may cough when exposed to the allergen. Allergens are different for everyone, but common ones include smoke, pollen, dust, and pet dander. Allergy-related coughs will usually go away once the person has cleared their airways and is no longer in contact with the allergen. Causes of a persistent cough. Sometimes a cough will last for longer than 2 months. Doctors call this a chronic cough. According to the American College of Allergy, Asthma and Immunology, 90% of persistent or chronic coughs are caused by one of the following: asthma, chronic bronchitis, gastroesophageal reflux disease, postnasal drip, smoking. Sometimes a chronic cough might be a sign of something more serious, such as cystic fibrosis, sarcoidosis, COPD, lung cancer. Potential complications of a persistent cough. Coughing persistently can cause a variety of problems, including headache, dizziness, sleep disruption, loss of bladder control, fractured ribs, fainting, or passing out. How to treat a lingering cough? When a common illness is the cause of a lingering cough, people can try over-the-counter cough medicines and cough drops, eating a teaspoon of honey, using a humidifier, or taking a steamy shower to moisturize the air, drinking plenty of fluids, avoiding allergens such as smoke, pollen, or dust, quitting smoking. When to contact a doctor? In most cases, a cough will go away by itself, or when the underlying common illness has cleared up. Sometimes a cough can be a sign of more serious or underlying condition. It is a good idea to see a healthcare provider if someone has a persistent cough that lasts longer than 8 weeks after the initial illness, has a persistent cough that keeps coming back, has a persistent cough with no other symptoms, has a persistent cough that brings up blood or red flame.